I've helped over 100 VA borrowers reach their real estate goals. And today I've got a whole tank behind me because we're going to be talking about one of the most powerful weapons in any VA borrower's arsenal. Crazy thing is, no one's talking about it. And I've learned a ton about doing VA loans during my time in the real estate industry. And one of the main things I learned is every deal is different, everyone's circumstance is different. So it's crazy that nobody talks about this secret weapon. But before we get into that, my name's Stephen Harris. I'm a real estate broker in the Fort Cavazos, Killeen area, and I help clients using their VA loan buy and sell homes. So if you'd like to contact me, click the link in the description. I would love to hear your story. So a VA loan is a zero money down program that is used for military members and their families. As the real estate market has grown, the VA has put more and more guidelines in place to basically prevent people from using the VA loan to build up an investment portfolio. So even though there are more guidelines in place, those guidelines are just that, guides or rules of thumb, and they can be bent or stretched depending on the circumstance to help the VA client achieve their real estate goals. Enter the letter of explanation. It's your chance to explain your circumstance that might not necessarily fit into a checkbox, which is super important because everyone's situation is different. Whether it's explaining credit hiccups, payment gaps, or unusual banking transactions, the letter of explanation is your voice in the process. So let's say you just bought a home using your VA loan and it hasn't been a year since you bought it. But since the time you got it, your family has grown. You've since got married and you've got a bun in the oven, and the duplex or starter home that you bought using your VA loan just doesn't have enough space to accommodate your growing family. Well, the VA rule of thumb is only one at a time, and they want you to occupy that property for at least a couple years. Well, that's the rule of thumb. Well, my client had the exact same situation, and that letter of explanation moved mountains. The VA understood exactly what was going on, and they were able to get them approved for the loan they needed so that they could move up and provide more space for their family. And this is just one of many examples I've seen where the VA is willing to stretch the rules in order to accommodate the borrower, which is amazing. And that's why the VA loan is one of the best loans out there, because some other loans just won't bend the rules in this same way. But it's not just what you say, it's how you say it. Be genuine, provide evidence, and always stick to the truth. Now, crafting this letter is an art. You're trying to paint a picture of your situation for the VA. One of the most key things, though, is honesty and clarity. Now, if writing isn't your thing, then ask your real estate professional for help, because the right words in this situation can make all the difference. The letter of explanation is truly one of the most powerful tools I've learned in all of my years in doing real estate. So if you know someone, a vet, that might need some help using this secret weapon, reach out. I would love to hear their story. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with somebody else who might find this interesting. I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.